one way to make sure that you have an awesome sounding mix is to make sure that you have your production right first. This song hasn't been mixed yet, but as we go through, you'll see how the production actually makes the mix so much easier by adding these few elements in first. Tip number 2 this week is, if you missed tip number 1, go back on, look at my page or something, I don't know. Tip number 2 that I have for you this week is going to be to double your kick. So your kick in an ordinary situation just has one track, like this one. I'm going to make it louder so you can hear that. Which, you know, doesn't sound bad necessarily. We'll listen to that in the whole mix. Right, so it doesn't sound bad, but I mean, in order to get just more punch and more, you know, clarity and more intrigue, specifically if you're going to be using just stock plugins to create your kick, if you're using MIDI, for example, it's always nice to add some extra oomph behind it and also just change the quality of your kick by adding other kick drums along with that. Logic has an awesome little shortcut. Just hit Control D and you can copy or you can duplicate your kick. You can mess around with that. Have fun. So I have this one kick here. Again, we'll play it just for a second, and then I'll add the other 2 in. So as you can tell, there's just more richness in that kick, a little bit more punch from specifically this middle one, just to add that extra aggressiveness on the front end. So all together in the mix, this is what it sounds like. All right, thanks for watching.